So internal stain. This is the key of internal stain. I usually use 9 colors, 9 main colors. It's white, as I mentioned before yesterday. White, bright dilution. Bright dilution is the key. You need bright dilution everywhere because it's diluter, it's a brightener, and this is glue for your stains. It's very easy to use with a bright dilution. It's like use modern build-up liquids, which hold your build-up very nicely. Same thing. So my advice, just to drop a little liquid. Liquid is unique, so don't try to leak it. It's a benzo, whatever, I don't remember the formula. Benzo, what is it? Oil base, let's say, yeah, okay. It's secret, you see. You see, yeah. It is kind of secret because this liquid let you see the real color of porcelain without baking. So refractor index is 1.4 something. Yeah. So this is unique, and I use this liquid externally and internally. Externally, I see right away the real color. For example, you want to see how will look, you know, okay, this powder, LT0. Okay. It's very uncomfortable for build-up, but for visualize it's very nice. So LT0, white powder.
That will work with any porcelain system to see the color or not?
Yes, yes, any porcelain. Yes, any porcelain system. Yes. So here, it's kind of course, it's Noritake course. I'm Noritake instructor, but anyway, you work in Max, you work any other brands you like, no problem. Yes.
Can you see the bottle?
Yeah. Don't lick this, it's very stinky, very bad looking thing. So this is the real LT0 after bake. You see? It's a real color of the porcelain. So for example, if you build up your crown, do internal stain, and want to see how it looks the luster on top, so this liquid will help you. It's just for experiment, just for an idea, something. It's very nice. Visualize liquid. It's very helpful. Yes. Some people selling this for €80. Yeah. Same liquid. Refractive index there 1.48. This is 1.45, something like this. But anyway, it's jasmine oil. Yeah, jasmine essence, jasmine oil. You can buy in a pharmacy. So, same oil-based stuff. Yeah. But jasmine oil will evaporate very fast. This one is pretty much long time, keep the moisture.
It's your time, I don't care about that.
Yeah, yeah, so it's like open secrets.
Open secret.
Yeah.
But
My
you
goal.
promised us yesterday you were going to tell us secrets today.
Yes,
So
yes,
we are
today
ready.
all
We are
secrets.
ready.
Yes, today all secrets. Because yesterday, many things I cannot pronounce from stage officially. Yeah. But I'm dental technician, like all of us. I working with many shortcuts against the rules, you know. And I work alone, so nobody help me. Yeah. I can fire myself, hire myself. It happens sometimes. So I need to work precisely with no mistakes. So I try to avoid mistakes. As I told you yesterday, I believe that my wife accountant, so she calculate how much cost remake for a lab. remake, it's 3 price throwing away. 3 price. Yes. I couldn't believe. I think, okay, I didn't make, my money. That no. You didn't do work at this time. You lose your time. You lose your material. You lose it. 3 price out. Yes. So big labs doesn't see this because under routine they don't understand. Remake. That's okay. But for small lab like one person, it's really not nice. So my system working with the dentist, we never call each other for any reasons, with messages, emails. We have strict protocol about any cases and pictures. How to work with the pictures, I will show you lately. It's a certain simple protocol. For example, I know the reality. Many dentists, many technicians, they don't have good camera, they don't have good SLR. Sometimes you have iPhone pictures, whatever phone pictures, right? So they're sending you. But anyway, I will show you how to deal with this, with the reality. Ideally, you need to buy a camera, good one. But all pictures you saw yesterday in presentation was made by equipment for $150. $450.
What kind of flash do you use?
Simple flash I bought in the second hand, Velbone or whatever, small flashes, hot shoes, bracket, cheap SLR camera, aftermarket, whatever, second hand, because what we expect from SLR camera, open and close, that's it, the shutter speed, open and close. Lens, old Nikon lens, 1962, it's $150. Same glass like in modern lens, same. So it's like absolutely great lens, but it's manual. That's what we need, manual lens. No fancy motors, stabilizers and stuff, no need. So all my students use this equipment for $150 on eBay. You can buy all sets. You can start with this. You can use not macro lens. You can use 35mm lens to take dental pictures. It's a different course, it's dental photography, but whatever you have question about dental things, photography, ask, no problem. Okay, I believe the stains. So for internal stain, drop the liquid a little bit on your palette, and then powder, and let powder dissolve slowly. Suck the liquid. There is a theory in the market: do not mix your porcelain because you produce the bubbles. Your porcelain mixture become as a soap, like a foam. I disagree with this. You have to mix. You have to. Not really like really intensive mixture, but you have to mix. I use glass, not wet trays. Reason number one, because it's beautiful. I like beauty things. You know, like this one is not comfortable. It's heavy. To carry with me, it's heavy, and it's dangerous. So put the silicone here to protect your, glass on glass. so it's sealed.
That's a wax.
No, it's silicone.
Silicone.
H-short.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, put silicone here. So you see, I try to protect my ceramics stuff. Put here the rubber also, because otherwise it's very difficult to grab this heavy thing. You can use a Ranford, it's very nice pallets, beautiful pallets, very light. This one, the only my respect to Noritake, and it's beautiful stuff. That's all there is. Takes a long time. So yes. This is great powder, A+. So you can switch your crown from A1 to A4 only by this powder. And aesthetically it's going to be great. It's no problem. Yeah.
What furnace do you use?
Oh yeah, good question. Very good question. Okay, I use the Kima. My teacher, the first person I met in my career, dental technician Aki Yoshida, he advised me to buy the Kima. I never regret. It's pretty okay furnace. It's not the best. It's not furnace, excuse me, something, could you please try it? Yeah. So the Kima claimed that it's a high-end furnace by price. You know, like it's like a car. It costs a lot. But in a reality, the Kima is not. They have pretty many software bugs inside the furnace. But average user may not understand this. Because, for example, for me, most important thing in a furnace, be able to edit the program on the fly. I push start and I need to talk to furnace. At this moment I push start, table start to lifting up, furnace start to work, time start count down, working on me, but I adjust the program according to how many units, what amount of porcelain, you know, many things. I adjust little things, and then program finished, and the Kima, very nice feature, asked me, do you like what you have? If you do, okay, let's memorize this program in certain cluster, right? If not, forget it. For example, programmat furnace. You can do almost the same thing. You can pause, you can start, then you need to pause. You need to stop the time. Pause. Then adjust your program. Program finished, and you see bad result. You need to switch to original. You can't. You overwrite your original program. That's the minus of Ivoclar programmat furnaces. Otherwise, furnace is very good. It's the best interface in the world. Programmat. It's very, very good interface. Thank you.
With the pro press, you can switch on the fly and then goes back automatically.
Which one?
Whip mix?
Whip mix, I'm not familiar with whip mix, but whip mix allow you to add the program on the fly, which is good, very good. So another feature of the Kima, which is not really good, quick cooling and quick start working the same way. The pump start cool down the muffle. To quick start, you know,